Love that does not ask permission burns through borders, barbed wire, and fear. It unbuttons shame from the body and lets breath return to its rightful rhythm. This love is not gentle because it must not be. It is fierce enough to heal the wound of centuries, soft enough to cradle a trembling child, hidden inside the one who screams. Radical love rearranges the furniture of the soul, moves the heavy chairs of judgment aside, and sweeps the dust from forgotten corners, and opens the windows of belonging. He remembers the faces erased from stories, the voices drowned in the rivers of silence, the hands that built what others claimed. This love restores their names with tenderness. Revolutionary love looks you in the eyes and refuses to look away. It does not say you must deserve it first. It says you already do. It grows where grief once lived, turning sorrow into soil, rage into fuel, forgiveness into freedom. This love feeds on courage, on the willingness to stay awake, to listen when it would be easier to turn away, to forgive without forgetting. It is a march that begins in the heart, each beat a drum calling us forward towards a justice that tastes like mercy, towards kindness that costs something. Radical love holds no allegiance to comfort. It kneels beside the broken, stands beside the shamed, walks beside the forgotten. It says we belong, all of us, the sinner and the saint, the weary and the wild, the frightened and the free. It sings through the cracks of old systems, grows between stones of despair, wraps arms around every stranger, and whispers, "You are seen." Revolutionary love rebuilds language, turns us and them into we, turns mine into ours, turns someday into now. It is the uprising of tenderness, the insurgency of compassion, the quiet riot of hearts that have remembered how to feel. This love has no flag but humanity, no anthem but the breath we share, no enemy but indifference. It calls us home to each other, to the earth, to the truth that love is the only revolution that endures. Be nice, be kind, and be the greatest expression of you.